Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to walk through exactly how to file a BOC-3 in Motus. It's a really straightforward process, so let's just dive right in. Okay, so first things first. Before you even start the filing process, you need to make absolutely sure you've already registered as a supporting company. Basically, just double-check that you can actually log in and access your supporting company account. Gotta have that foundation set, right? Once you're logged in, making that financial responsibility filing is a total breeze. Just head over to the Manage Filings drop-down menu at the top, click that, and then select Create New Filing. Now you need to actually locate the specific regulated entity you're working with. You can do this by typing either their USDOT number or their legal business name right into the search field. Hit that little magnifying glass icon to search, and once they pop up, just go ahead and click Create New Filing. All right, take a quick second here to review the business information on the screen. It is absolutely crucial to make sure you selected the correct entity before moving forward. You know, measure twice, cut once. Oh, and while you're on this page, you can also take a look at any of their existing BOC-3 filings. Moving down to the Company Filing section, you're going to see a drop-down labeled Select an Operating Authority. Just use that to pick the specific operating authority you want to make this filing for, and then hit the Make This Filing button. Now, quick pause, because this is a really important thing to keep in mind. If the USDOT has multiple authorities associated with it, you are going to need a completely separate filing for each one of them. So one filing does not cover the whole shebang if they have multiple authorities. You'll need to repeat the process for each. Next, you'll see a confirmation pop-up box appear. This is your last chance to verify you're making the filing for the right entity. Once you've confirmed everything looks good, just click Make Filing. Or if something looks off, hit Cancel to go back and fix it. Awesome, almost done. After you hit Make Filing, the system will automatically bump you back to the Manage Filings page. And right there, you'll see your brand new filing displayed, and it should show a status of Active. And just one final takeaway to wrap this up. If you ever make a new filing for the exact same operating authority later on down the line, the system is smart enough to handle the update. It'll automatically change the old filing status to Replaced. Pretty neat, right? Anyway, that is it for this explainer. You are now ready to handle BOC-3 filings in Motus like a total pro.